Have you ever wondered how cells come together to form the intricate structures in our bodies? This fascinating process is known as cellular self-assembly. Imagine tiny cells akin to building blocks, skillfully arranging themselves through a remarkable set of mechanisms. Researchers suggest that forces like chemical signals and physical interactions play a crucial role, guiding these cells to their ideal positions. Understanding these self-assembly mechanisms reveals vital secrets about tissue development and regeneration. Just think, if we could unravel how these cells organize themselves, we might discover innovative ways to heal injuries or even design artificial organs. The adventure into the microscopic world of cellular self-assembly is just beginning, opening doors to advancements that could revolutionize medicine. Join us as we delve into this exciting frontier where biology meets innovation.